Forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the threat of severe weather and flooding on the increase overnight tonight through tomorrow, with all hazards possible in our severe weather threat. Lower end, maybe tornado threat. Storms that could produce damaging winds may outweigh the few tornadoes that we could see here in Acadiana. We'll delineate that in just a bit. Maybe some hail. Flooding also a pretty high threat across the area, especially as we head into tomorrow. We'll get to that as we get into the big picture and take a look at the water vapor imagery. We have this massive upper low in the nation's midsection, a secondary upper low that's kind of rotating through this big gyre. That's going to be pushing on through, and this is why storms are going to push into the area, then stall out as this system works its way down through the base of the trough, and this upper low could actually pull the storms back to the northwest before it pushes back on through the region, and that's why we're concerned about flooding rainfall across the area. Now to the north, it's been all snow, blinding snow, blizzard conditions across portions of Nebraska, the Dakotas, eastern Wyoming, up through Montana, and winter storm warnings farther to the east. Winter storm watches now for the east coast area as well, and farther to the south. It's the threat of severe weather. We do have a tornado watch that includes western Louisiana, northern Louisiana through 10 p.m. tonight, but we do expect more tornado watches perhaps overnight tonight, certainly as we head into the daytime hours tomorrow, as dynamics may weaken a little bit overnight tonight. Can't bet on that, but they may pick up again as we head through the daylight hours tomorrow. So take a look at all the Doppler radar sweeps. We can see strong storms by Lufkin up through the Shreveport area. Already some tornadic activity here. Storms are intensifying north of Alexandria on up through I-20, and then we see action that's starting to cook across southwest Louisiana. Coming into Power Doppler 3 just to take a look at some of these cells. Most of these well below severe levels, and just locally heavy downpours right along Highway 165 across Allen Parish from Kinder, Oberlin on up through Oakdale. Few other spotty showers as we get into Evangeline Parish, also Jeff Davis Parish, and we're seeing a few more cook up down along the coast, and that's going to be the trend overnight tonight. So scattered showers, especially after 8 or 9 o'clock tonight for most of us except the southeastern parishes. Now, severe weather threat overnight tonight enhanced. That's a level 3 out of 5. I-10 corridor on northward. That's for the possibility of maybe a few strong tornadoes developing close to home, and then they intensify as they move off to the northeast. And then we move into tomorrow, still an enhanced risk from eastern Acadia, southeastern St. Landry, Lafayette, Vermilion parishes on eastward. So that tells us the storms are going to be ongoing more than likely at daybreak tomorrow. More than likely, we think our severe weather threat will diminish right around mid-afternoon tomorrow, right around the noon hour, give or take a couple of hours. Flash flood watch for all of Acadiana through tomorrow afternoon. You can see a couple of tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings on the map there. And risk of excessive rainfall per the Weather Prediction Center in the moderate category. That's a level 3 out of 4, so there could be flooding, especially in the area shaded in red here. So let's take a look at the model data. We have the showers and storms pushing on in as we head through the overnight hours. Could see some strong action around 2-3 in the morning, and notice the axis right through Lafayette. Does it move? No, through daybreak tomorrow. In fact, if anything, it tries to move back to the north and west, and this is always the marker for flooding rainfall when you have storms that stay stationary, move over the same areas, back build to the west, and then push to the east. And by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, things will quiet down. Much cooler, quieter as we head into Thursday morning. Breezy north winds and temperatures in the 40s. So tornado spin potential, mainly northern portions of Acadiana, central Louisiana on northeastward. This is through 8 o'clock tonight. Notice the tornado dynamics weaken a little bit. They perk up here and there right around 2 a.m. Then they certainly weaken toward daybreak tomorrow. Then as we head into mid-morning, you can see the tornado threat, or at least the spin potential, will be increasing at least through noon, especially over toward Baton Rouge, Covington, and New Orleans more than likely. So we'll be on the lookout for all the modes of severe weather. Rainfall-wise, this is concerning. Most areas see 1 to 3. Isolated areas see up to 6. The graph model not sold on big rains quite yet, but you take a look at the European model, and we have widespread areas of 3 to 5. So we got to say 1 to 3 for most. Isolated amounts up to 3 to 6. So 68 the low tonight. Tornado watch likely for portions of the area. Showers and thunderstorms on an occasional basis, some possibly severe. That severe weather threat continues tomorrow. Flood threat increases through midday. And again, that 1 to 3 isolated amounts up to 3 to 6. So it's going to be a kind of a rough period. And notice how those winds change direction into the afternoon as west-northwesterly winds move in. 10-day forecast is much quieter and cooler into the weekend. Some showers next week, and then a nice chill just in time for Christmas. That's it for weather. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.